Badges are terrific in recognizing trainers' achievements. They boost credibility, improve brand recognition and loyalty, motivate trainers. On top of that, they're fun to use and share, and cheap to create. So if you are still in doubt of applying them to your business, it's time to change the opinion. With Workshop Butler, you can add as many badges as you need. So let's do it. For that, go to Account Settings and click Badges. Then click Add Badge button. Select a name for your first badge. In my case, it's Alfred the Butler. And upload the image. Okay, now click Save. And it's done. Great. Repeat this step as many times as you need. Later, I'll show you how you can use the uploaded badges to assign them to your trainers.